Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit an image into a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and select an edit option. Now select edit object and select your image option. Also you can select all. I'll select only image. Now click on this image. First I'll center this image. Click on this image and click right button for your mouse, and here you will find the center option. You can center it both and see this. Online center it horizontally. See this. Now you can move it your image dragging your mouse. Also you can press arrow key from your keyboard up, down and right, left, and you can increase decrease the right side, this top, bottom. Also you can increase your image same ratio. Press shift and alt key from your keyboard and increase decrease this way image size, and also you can rotate your image here. Also you can put a custom rotate and see this, and also you can flip this image. See this is a horizontal flip. I'll make it 0. And make it, and also you can crop this image. Undo it. Click on this image and click right button and see this is add clip path. I'll make it rectangle, and now draw a rectangle and crop. Now click this outside of the image, double click and see this image now crop. Also you can see this image opacity here. See this, and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.